Hello everyone, here is a quick video about how to remove the engine from a 2011 Range Rover 3-liter diesel without lifting the body. It's quite difficult, I should say very difficult, to get access to the bolts and wiring and all the auxiliaries which you have to take away on the side to create just enough space to take this piece of shit out, because I'm not trying to offend anyone, but that's the truth. Those engines are quite horrible to work on. I have to take these wires off as well. Anyway, gearbox is still on the car, as you can see, same as the steering rack. Our steering pump. Right. Not the quickest and the easiest way to do it, but there you go. Sometimes you don't have too many options. Good luck with your job. All the best. Bye.